Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with day number 22 of the best of 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. Today's sketch is one that was originally in series 7, day 29, and the creator was Rochelle Spears. Excuse me, Spears. I'll show you a close-up here in just a minute. But just to show you, it's a 2-photo sketch. One vertical, one horizontal. And so I have pulled my photos in. I have a couple of those, one vertical, one horizontal, one portrait, one landscape. Then I have papers. I have a full sheet of this floral paper. I have a couple of scraps of paper, and then I have these border strips. I also pulled in this tag, as well as these wood veneer pieces, my ephemera bits, and then the enamel stickers, the puffy stickers. Then these washi strips. I have 3 different ones here, as well as some labels, as well as some some chipboard stickers, as well as the fringe. I pulled in 3 different fonts of alphabets to do my title with. So there's these 2. This is the same one here because I think I might run out of letters with the first set, so I pulled the second set as well. So let me show you, put a close-up in case you want to follow along and create your own layout. You can pause the video with the sketch and play along, or you can go over to Christy's Beautiful Life on Facebook and find the sketch there as well. Or you can find the playlist on YouTube that is hashtag best of 30DSCBL. Either way, you decide if you want to play along. There's plenty of ways to play. Anyway, give me a second and I'll be back. Okay friends, I am done with layout 22 for day 22 of the challenge. Anyway, let me show you what I didn't use. I had that tag and I did not use half of it. That's the back side of it. It'll go into my stash. These 2 border strips that I pulled out I didn't use, and then the rainbows I didn't use. What I did use was the minty greenish color plaid paper with the back side of the hearts. That's a cutoff from the background paper. I did use this scallop paper, and that's a cutoff of white cardstock where I matted my photos. I used both sets of these hearts. Both of them are puffy. One is Freckled Fawn, one is Felicity Jane. I did use these enamel dots. And fringe, I used 2 more pieces. I used 3 more pieces of chipboard. I did use a portion of a sticker that I had on here. I think it had little circles on it, multicolored circles, and I used that. And I used a piece from here. I used a piece, the stripe piece, this one, from 3 of these. And then I used, oh, this is the one that had the portion of a sticker I used. The other one must have just been that portion of the stripe paper here that I used. I used the 3 tags that were down here. That leaves me 1 on here. Hopefully I'll get it used up. I have these puffy stickers, and the black to create my title. And I did use my bowl of ephemera. And here is the layout that I created. I think it turned out super duper cute. It followed the sketch pretty closely. Well, as closely as I'm going to make it follow it. My photos are in the same position. I do have my background papers sort of in the same position. I created an embellishment cluster here with chipboard, label, washi strips, puffy hearts, and I popped those ephemera bits of flowers up on puffy or foam tape. Anywho, more here. The arrow I popped up on foam adhesive. More washi strips, more puffy hearts, another chipboard piece, and another label. I added this down here, "You Are Adored," to add a flower element there with the washi tape and then the flower. And then this is my 3rd cluster. And then I have the fringe under both the photos. I did add that little bit of ephemera piece here to my title, so flower and water baby. is my title. Really like how this one turned out, but you know, when you have a cute kid in a cute pose in a swimming pool with the flower, it's easy to create really cute layouts. Anywho, I appreciate you being here. I will have close-ups at the end of the video. If you want, you can stick around and watch those. I would love it if you would flip me a thumbs up. If not, that's okay too. And I will see you guys again tomorrow with another sketch for Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, the Best of series. Bye!